Hey guys, hey everybody, welcome to our vlog of R.Prince brand. Today we will talk about reusable fabric masks and we will compare them with these classic disposable masks. They give you the protection, they are really cheap, they don't look like extremely horrible, it's normal, people wear them, right? If you are a type of person who really take care of their style, who invest their money into their outfit, into the accessories, you know, it's not even about car brand and clothes, it's even about accessories, right? It's about watch, it's about pair of shoes, it's about leather belt. Does it make sense to you to pair up your face with something like this? Like, again, nothing wrong with that, but what do you think? I'm not saying I'm the type of guy, but what do you think? Like, yeah, does the job, but it looks so weird. Like, if you have a really nice style, inch by inch, why would you pair up your face with something like that? It makes more sense to me to use disposable fabric mask. I will put it on so you can check out how it actually looks like. This is just a random mask that I had actually here on the table. So I'm not saying this particular one is matching my outfit or my shirt pattern, but what do you think? It's way better. My own feeling is way better about myself. It totally makes sense to me, this design. On one hand, we produce this type of classic 3-ply disposable mask. We produce those medical ones and non-medical ones. We also produce these guys. Yeah, this is like pretty basic thing, right? You don't see any filters on it. The quality fabric and of the finishing is amazing because, how I said before, we are a producer of made-to-measure clothes, so we put a lot of stress on quality of our products. If you get these masks, you will get great fabric. It's 100%, it's pure cotton. If you get these masks from R.Prince, you will get great quality. There will be no mistakes, perfect finishing. You can check it out on the pictures we are actually showing here in this video, in this vlog. We also produce a lot of different designs. It's like over 50 designs, and some of them are like evergreen. We produce them like for a few weeks, few months. We will never stop producing them. Some of them are actually limited edition. Honestly speaking, it's because, for example, we are using some leftover fabrics, so these are like leftover patterns, but it gives you some kind of exclusivity. One thing I would like to mention, we can customize these designs. We can customize them for you as our customers. Good thing that you also can see in these pictures we are showing you here, we can match your shirt design. We can even use exactly the same fabric of your shirt. You would have like completely like pure 100% matching design, matching pattern of your mask and of your shirt. It looks great. It gives really nice vibes actually. Personally, I wear these masks on daily basis. Sometimes I wear those completely matching with my shirt. I don't wear it totally like every day because, yeah, like sometimes I feel it's a little bit too much. Like, people look at me like, whoa, it's like, yeah, this guy is like taking, it's a little bit overkill, like you're taking a lot of like attention. I would like to show you some of those designs we have here. Some of them we produce and we will always produce, we will never stop the production, while some of them they are just limited editions because we use some special fabric and we will never produce them again, so it gives you some kind of exclusivity. This is how the packaging looks like. This is the front side. This is how the front side looks like. This is the back side. So there are some instructions. There are some pictures how to put it on. I will open this one and you can see how the mask look like. All of these masks, they are actually 2-ply. They are 2-layer. The one with the pattern, then inside one more. There is no filter. Inside there is a kind of bucket and you actually put filters inside. So you gotta buy these filters by yourself. We also produce these filters so we can supply the mask and the filter, but you don't have to buy it from us. You can buy it from different supplier. Filters are quite cheap. It's about like American dollars, it's about 10 cents. These masks without the filter, BFE is very low. So if you wear it like this, you basically protect your environment. If you buy filter and you put the filter inside, then it gives you some kind of bacterial filtration efficiency. You can go up to 99%. So me personally, I use those like thicker filters, and they give me like 99.5% BFE. Another thing we can talk about, adjustable ear loops. While these are thicker and they're made out of different material, this is a cotton part, but they work in the same principle, right? You adjust. This is like a really, this would be for really tiny small face, and this would be like for a giant face. I don't want to even imagine this stuff. The same thing you can do here, right? Yeah, this is how it works. Unbox like one more. Let's see. This is the, we gotta know where is the chin part and where is the nose part. Okay, so you can see how it fits. It should be actually a really tight fit, but it shouldn't be annoying. In this point, I would like to mention one thing. In February and March, I was wearing some masks of our like competitor producers, because at the time we were just producing these classic 3-ply masks, those disposable masks. I had this problem that if I worn it for some time, let's say more than 1 hour, it was, because it was way too close to my lips and to my nose, it actually absorbed a lot of saliva. So it got like really wet and sticky inside, and it got like insanely uncomfy, insanely uncomfortable. While these masks, our masks of R.Prince brand, they are great. They don't have this problem. It's not too close to my lips, it's not too close to my nose, but it's still very tight. It's a tight fit, which it's supposed to be. So it's tight, but it's not annoying on the other hand. It shouldn't give you any skin allergy, right? Because it's pure cotton, it shouldn't irritate you in any way. If it does, you should let us know, of course. You can wash them, or it's recommended to wash them by hand. If you take really good care of these masks, they supposed to be used for a few months, up to few years actually. They should be still fine, because how I said before, we take a really great care of the finishing and of the fabrics. These all are actually imported fabrics. This one is really basic, it's just yellow color. I will adjust these ear loops, and I have to find which part is the top part for nose and which part is supposed to be for chin. So I believe it's like this. Bam. This one is really light, and I can wear it for a few hours. I can speak, but for the video, I think it doesn't make too much sense, because you cannot see my face when I'm wearing this. Guys, our website is onlinecustomsuits.com. That's the website for our suits, jackets, shirts, shorts, t-shirts, polo shirts. For these masks, the website is kutehealth.com. You can check this out, you can comment down below, you can subscribe us. Oh my god, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, so you can subscribe us. We are R.Prince, that's our brand. We are a large factory. We have 3,500 employees, and we produce more than 1,600 suits a day. If you have any questions, let us know. Give us feedback. We will be more than happy if you give us some touch. Thank you. I hope you had some good time, some fun. I did. Take care, stay healthy, and stay tuned. Bye-bye.